The world of C-parts is diverse. It includes connectors and fasteners, indirect materials such as tools, safety and personal protective equipment, as well as technical chemicals and many things more. However, industrial companies do not always need only individual C-parts. Sometimes an assembly or a kit of C-parts is the ideal solution. Assemblies are pre-assembled parts. Instead of the individual parts being assembled in the production process, a pre-mounted assembly is provided. This does not only reduce the fault rate, but also saves time and cost in the production process that you can use for your core processes. Kits are a selection of C-parts put together to fit your individual needs, and creativity knows no limits in this respect. Würth Industrie Service will compile all the small parts, tools and PPE or safety products you require. The packaging is just as individual. In addition to traditional polybags, the items can also be provided and packaged in cardboard boxes, hard foam inserts, tool and assortment cases, WKLT bins, or in any manner you prefer. You get everything from a single source, reduce your storage costs, and save valuable time. Of course, we add an individual label to your kits and provide for reliable batch tracing. Moreover, your kits and assemblies can also be easily integrated into our intelligent supply solutions to ensure that you have your individual kits and assemblies available at any time. Our RFID Kanban systems and OrsiMat vending machines allow for reordering based on demand in an entirely transparent, secure, and automated manner. Make use of and benefit from the cost and time savings gained by using CPS Assembly and CPS Kit from Würth Industrie Service.